Hello there, it's Grandma Betsy Bell, giving you an update on my Grandma Betsy Bell blog, where I talk mostly about arthritis and managing arthritis without resorting to surgery or medication. Today I'm talking to you about a recent operation that I had for a person who's avoiding surgery. I decided to have my eyelids fixed. Now, for a long time, for about 5 years now, I haven't been able to see in the upper vision, up high, so that when I'm looking straight at you like this, I couldn't see this roof line of my house. But after quite a few years of waiting, the clinic where I get my medical care decided to hire a special ophthalmologist who specializes in this corrective surgery for what is called a medical condition. So this medical condition actually makes it difficult for you to see. And I'm standing out here, the same position where I have for my blog post banner, and I wanted you to see how my fuchsia is doing this year. Anyway, the reason I wanted to bring this up on an arthritis blog is because I have done so well. Now you can see there's still a little bit of redness there, but my surgery was on Friday. I had no pain. They sent me home with a prescription for Oxycontin and also for prednisone. Now, prednisone is used to avoid inflammation. Prednisone, I don't know if you've ever taken it or not, but prednisone can make you very wide awake. And there's been a lot of trouble I've gotten into when I've had prednisone in the past. Once I got tangled up with a poison oak bush. And as a result of that, developed a serious case of poison oak internally as well as externally. I made a terrible mistake. When I realized I'd been in poison oak, I came down from the mountain where I was in California and got into a hot bath with some Basic H, which is Shaklee's cleaning product. You can see my Get Clean shirt here. Now, this is the worst thing you can possibly do for poison oak. What you should do is get into a cold shower, take your credit card, and scrape the oil off your body, every place that the poison oak is touched. What I did was use the most amazing surfactant there is, completely safe for the skin and for the internal part of your body as well. And it just took that poison oak oil and spread it all inside me. My throat closed up. They prescribed 80 milligrams of prednisone for me. I was awake for 3 days. Now, a person like me who's already quite productive can get an awful lot done in 3 days of no sleep, and I did. This time, I objected to taking prednisone. I thought, why would I need such a thing? Well, I probably should have taken a little bit more of it because it might have reduced the inflammation a little bit more. But I iced very carefully, just as they suggested that I do, about 4 times a day. And now I'm using hot compresses. The other medication, of course, is Oxycontin. Well, that is a tremendous painkiller. And 2 things happen when you take painkillers to your body, besides reducing the pain. One of them, these are side effects, which I hate. One side effect is that you can get very constipated. So, in order to counteract that, I took a Shaklee product called Herbal, which is a collection of natural herbs that in Arabic countries they have been using forever after a heavy meal. You see a little dish of the seeds just sitting on the counter as you check out of like an Indian restaurant. This anise and other herbs, all of which, when you chew them up, will help your digestion. And it's a natural sort of exercise rowing machine for the gut, for the lower colon. And by taking 2 of those with every meal and another 2 at night, I had no trouble with constipation as a result of the Oxycontin. I only took it for 24 hours because I really didn't like taking a medication. And what I used instead, after that, was the Shaklee herbal blend that is a COX-2 5-COX inhibitor, What that means to you is that it interrupts the pain path. This is called pain relief complex. It's an herbal complex that relieves the pain by interrupting the pain path. And I think it's just a stroke of genius that anybody could figure out that there were herbs that could do that. So there's no bleeding in the stomach. There's no side effects. There's no shutting down of the colon and causing constipation. No, these are totally natural. A child can take them. They're wonderful. So I used the pain relief complex to take care of the pain that everyone was sure I was going to have. Maybe I would have had pain. I don't know. The fact of the matter is, I haven't had any pain at all from this operation. Not even the slightest. Which is just wonderful. So you can look, see, there's still redness, but I can actually see. My eyes are blue. I can actually see. It's quite exciting to me. I'm very thrilled. So I'm just going to sign off now, and I hope you enjoy this little blog post and see the results of my surgery. And if you're thinking about doing such a thing as that, just check in with me. I'd be glad to help you with the after effects. Oh, by the way, if you are taking a lot of vitamins, before the surgery, be sure to stop taking any of the oils. That's fish oil or GLA. Stop taking garlic. Stop taking vitamin E. And increase your alfalfa and your vitamin C, and you will have hardly any bleeding whatsoever. Bye-bye for now.